Grab a Dollar Tree cutting board and turn it into jaw-dropping fall decor you won't believe. Today I'm going to show you 10 genius DIY ideas that will transform your home and garden this season without breaking the bank. From cozy candle trays to charming garden signs, these projects are easy, affordable, and perfect for fall. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening, your go-to spot for simple, stunning DIYs that make every space feel warm and inviting. If you love creative, budget-friendly projects, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a new idea. Alright, let's dive in and start turning ordinary cutting boards into extraordinary fall magic. DIY number 1. Fall-themed wall pockets. For our first project, we're creating fall-themed wall pockets that can hold flowers, greenery, or little seasonal touches, all from a Dollar Tree cutting board. Begin with a rectangular board and paint or stain it in a warm autumn tone. Next, cut a piece of burlap or fabric to form a pocket and secure it to the bottom half of the board using hot glue along the sides and bottom, leaving the top open. Now comes the fun part, filling it. Slip in faux sunflowers, wheat stalks, eucalyptus, or even miniature pumpkins. For extra charm, wrap a little twine around the top of the board and tie a bow or glue on a small wooden tag with the word harvest written on it. Hang it in your entryway, on your porch, or even inside your kitchen for an instant pop of fall. It's simple, beautiful, and looks like something you'd find at a farmhouse boutique. DIY number 2. Fall leaf wall art. Grab another Dollar Tree cutting board and a few bottles of acrylic paint in warm autumn colors. Think oranges, reds, yellows, and even a touch of brown. You can use leaf stencils if you want crisp, clean shapes, or paint freehand for a more natural, whimsical look. Start by painting your leaves across the board in a pattern you like. You can layer colors to give the leaves depth and dimension, and even add little details like veins or dots to make them stand out. Don't worry about making them perfect. Part of the charm is that each leaf is unique, just like nature. Once your painting is dry, attach a ribbon or small hook to the top of the cutting board so you can hang it anywhere. This wall art is perfect for entryways, living rooms, or even kitchens. It instantly adds a touch of seasonal warmth and makes your space feel cozy and inviting. For a little extra flair, you can create a set of boards with different leaf designs and colors. Hang them together as a mini gallery wall, or scatter them throughout your home for pops of autumn color in every room. Maintenance is simple. Just dust lightly when needed, and keep out of direct sunlight to prevent fading. This project shows that with a simple cutting board and some paint, you can bring the beauty of fall indoors in a way that looks custom-made, but costs almost nothing. DIY number 3. Cozy candle tray. Take a Dollar Tree cutting board and give it a fresh coat of stain or paint in a warm fall-inspired color. Think rich browns, deep oranges, or soft cream tones. Colors that instantly bring that cozy autumn vibe into your home. Once it's dry, it's time to turn it into a beautiful centerpiece. Arrange a few candles on top of the board. Different heights work best to create dimension, and scatter a few decorative accents, like faux leaves, small pumpkins, or acorns around them. The cutting board acts as the base, keeping everything together in a neat, stylish display. This candle tray works beautifully on a coffee table, dining table, or even on a mantle. It's simple to assemble, yet it looks polished and intentional, giving your home that warm, inviting feeling that fall is all about. A quick tip for maintenance: always be mindful of open flames, and never leave burning candles unattended. If wax drips onto the board, wipe it away carefully. While it's soft, or gently scrape it off once cooled. With just a cutting board, a few candles, and some small decorative touches, you've created a charming fall centerpiece that's both functional and visually stunning. DIY number 4. Rustic Key Holder. Take a Dollar Tree cutting board and give it a quick sanding to smooth the surface. Next, stain or paint it in a color that complements your entryway. Warm wood tones or soft muted colors work beautifully. Once dry, attach a few small hooks along the bottom of the board. This simple addition instantly transforms your cutting board into a functional rustic key holder. Hang it near your door to organize keys, small scarves, or even jewelry, keeping your entryway neat while adding a touch of charm. The beauty of this DIY is how versatile it is. You can leave the wood natural for a farmhouse feel, or add small painted details like leaves or patterns to match your fall decor. Pair it with a mini chalkboard sign, or seasonal garland for extra style. For maintenance, wipe the hooks periodically to prevent dust or rust, and check the screws to make sure everything stays secure. Even with minimal care, this project is durable and will last season after season. It's proof that with just a Dollar Tree cutting board and a few hooks, you can create a practical, stylish piece that adds character and organization to your home. DIY number 5. Pumpkin Serving Tray. Start with a Dollar Tree cutting board and give it a fresh coat of paint or stain in a warm fall-inspired color. Once dry, paint cute pumpkins, autumn leaves, or other seasonal designs directly onto the board. You can get creative, add a little shading, or even some gold accents to make your artwork pop. After your design is complete, seal it with a clear varnish to protect it from spills and wear. Now your cutting board has been transformed into a beautiful serving tray that's perfect for fall gatherings. Use it to serve drinks, appetizers, or even display seasonal treats. This tray also doubles as decor. Place it on your coffee table, kitchen counter, even use it as a centerpiece for your dining table. It instantly brings autumn charm into your home and adds a warm, inviting touch. For maintenance, avoid soaking the tray in water, hand wash only and wipe it dry immediately to keep your painted design looking fresh. With just a few simple steps, a basic Dollar Tree cutting board becomes a functional festive piece you'll reach for all season long. DIY number 6. Seasonal Coasters. Take some mini Dollar Tree cutting boards. They're the perfect size for creating custom coasters. Start by cutting cork sheets to fit the bottom of each board, then attach them with glue. This protects your tables while giving your coasters a finished professional look. Next, paint fun fall designs on the top of each board. Think pumpkins, leaves, acorns, or even simple geometric patterns in autumn colors. Once the paint is dry, seal it with a clear coat to make sure your coasters last through daily use. These coasters are not just decorative, they're functional too. Use them for coffee mugs, glasses, or small serving dishes. You can even make a few extra as thoughtful, handmade fall gifts for friends and family. Maintenance is simple. Wipe them clean after use, and reseal the paint each season to keep the colors bright and fresh. With just a few materials and a little creativity, these mini cutting boards transform into charming, practical fall accessories that add warmth and personality to any table. DIY number 7. Hanging Herb Planter. Grab a Dollar Tree cutting board and attach small pots or jars, using hooks, screws, or sturdy twine. Fill each container with your favorite herbs, basil, thyme, rosemary, or even a mix of small greens. Now you have a charming vertical garden that's perfect for your kitchen, balcony, or even a sunny wall outdoors. The cutting board acts as a sturdy base, keeping everything together while adding a rustic, decorative touch. This DIY isn't just beautiful, it's functional. Fresh herbs are always within reach when cooking, and having greenery in your home brings life and freshness to any space. For maintenance, make sure each pot has proper drainage, and water carefully to avoid spills. Trim your herbs regularly to encourage healthy growth and keep your mini garden looking neat. With just a cutting board and a few simple materials, you've created a stylish and practical piece that blends decor and functions seamlessly. DIY number 8. Farmhouse Pumpkin Cutting Board. For our 8th project, we're transforming a simple round Dollar Tree cutting board into a farmhouse pumpkin, and it's easier than you might think. Start by painting the entire board in a rich pumpkin orange. To give it depth, dab on a little brown or white chalk paint along the edges, blending lightly so it looks like the natural curves of a real pumpkin. Now for the stem, take a small stick from your yard or even a leftover piece of cinnamon stick and hot glue it right at the top of the handle. Wrap some twine around the base of the stem and tuck in a few faux leaves for that harvest look. You can leave it as a simple pumpkin wall hanging, or take it a step further by adding a stencil with the word grateful or gather across the center. Place it on your mantle, shelf, or even prop it up in your kitchen, and you've got a pumpkin that never spoils but looks cozy all season long. DIY number 9. Mini Bird Feeder. Take a Dollar Tree cutting board and attach a small jar, using screws, adhesive, or wire. Fill the jar with birdseed, and hang the board from a tree branch, using sturdy rope or twine. This simple DIY attracts birds to your garden, adding life and movement, while giving you a chance to enjoy nature up close. You can even paint or decorate the board with fall colors or small designs to match your outdoor decor. For maintenance, clean the jar weekly to prevent mold, and refill the bird seed regularly to keep your feathered friends happy. With just a cutting board and a few supplies, you've created a charming functional addition to your garden that brings both beauty and wildlife right to your backyard. DIY number 10. Autumn Garden Sign. Grab a Dollar Tree cutting board and paint a warm fall-inspired message, something like "Welcome Fall Pumpkin Patch" or "Autumn Vibes." You can add small illustrations of leaves, pumpkins, or acorns to make it more festive. Once your painting is dry, attach the cutting board to a garden stake and place it in a flower bed, near your porch, or anywhere in your yard that could use a seasonal touch. This simple project instantly brightens your garden and gives it a cozy, welcoming feel. For maintenance, apply a clear sealant to protect the paint from rain and weather, and touch up the colors each year to keep the sign looking fresh. With just a cutting board and a little creativity, you've created a charming functional decoration that celebrates fall in your outdoor space. And that wraps up our 10 genius fall DIYs using Dollar Tree cutting boards. From mini chalkboard signs to cozy candle trays, rustic key holders, and even garden decorations like bird feeders and marker boards. These projects show just how creative and budget-friendly your fall decor can be. Each DIY is simple, fun, and adds a personal touch to your home or garden. Whether you're decorating your entryway, sprucing up your coffee table, or giving your garden a seasonal boost, these ideas prove that a little creativity goes a long way. Which DIY was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear which one you're planning to try first. And if you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Timeless Gardening, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a new DIY video. Thank you for spending time with me today. Grab a cutting board, get creative, and let's make this fall the coziest and most beautiful one yet.